Hi, welcome to my channel, and this is episode 186 of our grave tour of the famous series. In this episode, we visited Camposanto Public Cemetery in the town of Plaridel in search of notable individuals and famous celebrities interred in this part of Bulacan. Come, join us to remember, celebrate the lives, and visit the final resting place of an Olympic boxer turned actor, his old man, the Padilla Patriarch, and former governor, and one of his daughters, an actress and seasoned film director. Located at the eastern end of the cemetery is where the final resting place of Governor Jose Padilla Sr., actor Jose Padilla Jr., and film director Consuelo Padilla Osorio. On the right corner was the tomb of Jose Carmelo Ruiz Padilla Jr. or Pempe. He was born on 16 July 1911. Pempe was an Olympic boxer and a veteran film actor. He married the pre-war actress Arsenia Francisco, and the couple had 6 children, including Joanna Padilla Brown, the mother of Hollywood model actress Sachin Padilla. Pempe was the third child of Jose Padilla Sr. and Maria Clara Ruiz. His other siblings were Consuelo Padilla Osorio, the mother of film director Bebong Osorio, Carlos Padilla, the father of Carlos Jr., the grandfather of Sasa, and the great-grandfather of Carit. Maria Paz Padilla Fernandez, the mother of Rudy and the grandmother of Mark Anthony. Casimiro Roy Padilla, the father of Royet, Romel, Rustom, and Robin, and the grandfather of Daniel. Arsenio Ruiz Padilla, better known as Amado Cortez, born in 1927. In 1932 Summer Olympics held in Los Angeles, Pempe was part of 8-man Philippine contingent that competed in the 10th Olympiad, including his older brother Carlos Padilla, who also competed in boxing event. Pempe fought with South African boxer Lawrence Stevens but lost and failed to advance to quarterfinals. As an actor, Pempe had 168 film appearances from 1930 to 1974. He first appeared in 1930 silent film Samutya ng Libingan with Rita Rica. His other pre-war film appearances include 1935 Quintas ng Himutok with Mary Walter and Carlos Padilla. 1938, Ari Munding Munding with Carmen Rosales and Pugo and Togo. 1938, Ang Kamay na Bakal with Lilia Vizconde, Andres Guevara, and Patria Rosal. 1941, Princesita with Carmen Rosales. After the war, Pempe continued to appear in peacetime movies for the late 1940s to early 1970s, including 1946, Ulilang Watawat with Elsa Oria. 1948, Pista sa Nayon with Rebecca Gonzalez, Tessie Quintana, and Inday Halandoni.
Inaasahan kong mula ngayon, laging hanapin na aming sarili ang dumaraw rin sa inyo. Nena, talaga pinapat na bayan ako ng pagkakataon.
Siya nga ba?
Nena.
Ano yun?
Nena, ibig ko sanang maidaing sa iyo ang ibig ng aking pusong malaw ng panahon yung nila ng iyong kariktan. Subalit, ako'y nangangambang hindi ako maging karapat-dapat.
Hindi ko maunawaan ang ibig mo sabihin. Bakit hindi mo liwanagin?
Nena, iniibig kita. Iniibig kita ng higit sa aking buhay. Tugunin mo na ako. At ng ating mga puso ay magkaunawaan. At na ako naman ay hindi laging namamahay sa alanganin. Sige na, Nena. Utang na loob. Salamat at pinagkaloob mo rin ang matagal ko nang inaasahang kaligayahan.
Hindi ka kaya magmaliw, Delphine?
Giliw ko, mahihiling mo sa Diyos ang pinakabigat na parusa ipatong sa akin kung sakalit ako'y magtaksi.
1948, Kaaway ng Babae with Lilia Dizon.
Ngayon ako naniniwala ng babae nilikang parang kasalanan na nababarot ng magdahangang kagandahan. Sumpain ka ng demonyo. Mapagtakip ka sa kanilang kasalanan. Konsentidora ka sa kanilang kataksilan. Dahil sa pagbibigay mo ng dilag at bango. At kung hindi ka kayang sumpain ng demonyo, ay ako ang wawasak sa'yo. Hindi. Kung kaya sila nagtawanan, dahil sa narinig sinabi mong 7 bagyo sa pulo. Nagpapakilala na ikaw ay malakas at masipag. Kaya hinihirang kitang pasamantalang bodyguard, ha?
1950, Mutya ng Pasig with Rebecca Gonzalez, Teody Bellarmino, and Delia Razon.
Sandali lamang. Don Modesto, sa tingin ba ninyo isa sa mga taong sumalakay sa inyong bahay kagabi?
Masailan nga ho lamang bagay ang magbintang sa kapwa. Ngunit, sa palagay ko hindi. Hindi siyang hinahanap ninyo.
Yan ba inyong deklarasyon?
1953, Hook sa bagong pamumuhay with Celia Flor.
Talagang ganyan training ang digmaan. Ang lahat ay nagbabago.
Nagbabago? Sa makatwiday.
Hindi ako nagbabago, training. Ang katunayan walang pangusap na maring itimbang sa aking naging pananabik. Yamang narito na rin lamang ko ibig kong ihatid ka na sa dambana.
1959, Tough Guy with Fernando Poe Jr. and Chiquito.
Kaya ang basahin mo. Huwag yung comics. Yan diyan yung basahin mo. Yung front page.
Ba, Sergeant Mariano Nubales. Ba kayo ito, Tay?
Yan, kung bakit ibig ko na magpulis kang katulad ko. Para malaman mo ang halaga ng tungkulin sa bayan.
1963, Standby starring Joseph Estrada with Maggie de la Riva.
At hindi kalitaan kung ano ang nangyari sa kaisa-isa kong anak na si Gualberto. Matagal ko rin hinahanap si Gualberto. Salamat at nakita rin kami ni Juma. Ang totoo bago napatay si Martin, siya sana ang kukumparin.
1965, Genghis Bond, Agent 123 starring Dolphy with Babalu.
Palagay ko, may nangyari sa kanyang mahalagang bagay. Kailangan kumilos tayo agad. Hala, kumilos na kayo!
Kung may mga nagsisiming tao,
Sabihin mo, naantayin ako. Babalik ako agad.
Muna, makinawa, manobela sa ulo, bumuwersa, maki. Wala namang kasalanan, makina na dito.
Ako'y tumanggap ng tawag sa telepono na sinasabing ang bangkero ni Agent Van ay nakuha lulutang-lutang sa loob.
1972, Ang Alamat starring Fernando Poe Jr. with Pilar Pilapil.
Ko na matagal mo nang hinihingi. Magpakabait ka sana. Nagmamahal. Ang tatay mo hindi ko kilala ng personal. Ngunit, nabalitaan ko ang kanyang mga nagawa noong panahon ng digmaan. Ako naman natutuwa at makikilala namin sila ng personal. Sapagkat may mag-aasikaso na sa malawak na lupaing naiwanan ng nanay mo na ngayon ay nakatiungwang. Nagpatawag na naman ang pulong si Don Joaquin. Siguro tungkol doon sa mga lupaing niyang sinasaka natin.
His last appearance was in 1974 movie Batingaw starring Zaldi Jornac with Boots Anson Roa, Rosana Ortiz, Walter Navarro, and Joanna Garcia. Pempe died in June 1979 because of cardiac arrest. He was 67. Beside his tomb was his old man Jose Padilla Sr. Jose Galvez Padilla or Piping was born on the 30th October 1888 from Kingat Town, the present-day Plaridel. Piping was a lawyer and politician and served in local and national government as member of House of Representatives for the 1st District of Bulacan from 1919 to 1928 and from 1931 to 1934. He was the governor of Bulacan from 1928 to 1931 and from 1935 to 1937. Governor Peping died in August 1945 at the age of 56. Next to Peping's tomb was her eldest daughter, Consuelo. Consuelo Padilla Osorio, or Ateng, was born on the 1st September 1907. She was an actress and film director that appeared and had directed several films from late 1940s to early 1980s. Ateng was the mother of the actor-director Ricardo Bebong Osorio. Ateng had 8 film appearances as actress, 43 as writer, and 58 as director from 1938 to 1984. Her film appearances as actress include 1949 Bulaqueño starring Carlos Padilla, Pasita Francisco, Amelia Amante, and Pugo and Togo. 1953 Sa Isang Sulyap Mo Tita starring Pancho Magalona and Tita Duran. 1973, Paru-Parong Itim starring Nora Honor with Boots Anson Roa. 1984, Baguettes starring Aga, Herbert, Raymond, William, and JC.
Class, my name, Denise, M-I-S-S, teacher in physics. Did I spell it right? Correct. All right.
1984, Baguettes 2 starring Herbert, Raymond, William, JC, John Hernandez, Francis M., and Ramon Christopher.
Hi. Ikaw na naman. Hi, ma'am. Sexy.
As a director, Ateng had directed a total of 58 film projects from 1938 to 1972. Some of her film projects include 1947 Baquemo Neneng starring Leopoldo Salcedo and Rosa del Rosario. 1947 Bagong Cinderella starring Jose Padilla Jr. and Rosa del Rosario. 1953 May Darating Pang Umaga starring Carmen Rosales and Gloria Romero. 1969 Marty starring Eddie Peregrina with Vilma Santos, Esperanza Fabon, and Bebong Osorio. Her last project was the 1972 movie Love Eternal starring Ricky Belmonte, Rosemary Sonora, and Bert Leroy Jr. Ateng died in January 1987 at the age of 79. In the next episodes, we will post the video of our recent visit of Manila North Cemetery and Libingan ng mga Bayani in Taguig. Later in this channel, we will also post more grave tour videos including Manila Memorial Park and Loyola Memorial Park in Parañaque. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe if you like my channel. See you in our next grave tour of the famous episodes.